Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to submit Medium story in a Medium publication. Is open story you want to submit a publication, click the three dots as you can see here at the top, and then edit story to enter edit mode. In the edit mode, click the three-dot button menu in the top right corner of the page to open your story settings. Select Add to Publication from the menu, choose the publication you intend to submit, and confirm, and then just click the Submit button on top of the page and submit the publication onto the next screen. Now, if you are wondering, will the story become part of this publication? So, if you're submitting a draft as a publication writer, the editor of that publication will need to review your draft and publish it. The draft will remain unpublished until the editors accept it, and you will not be able to publish it before that happens. If you are submitting a draft as publication owner editor, you must then click the Publish button on top of the screen to publish your draft as a story in that publication. If you are submitting a published story as a publication writer, the editor of that publication will need to revise your draft and accept in the publication. And to not really to waste any more of your time, you can just pause the video here and read it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.